Hey guys, hope you're all doing fine. I just wanted to give you all a small piece of information which I think will be really useful to many of you. You may have heard of aquafaba or water bean. It is a very sought after ingredient in vegan cooking and baking and is most commonly used as an egg substitute. Aquafaba is the name given to the leftover water in which any pulses like chickpeas or white beans have been boiled in or even just stored in. Pulses contain a high amount of carbohydrates, which is primarily starch. Starch is the storage form of energy that is found in plants, and it is composed of sugar molecules called amylose and amylopectin. When these pulses are cooked, the starch in them absorbs the water and swell up, and they eventually break down. Once they break down, the amylose and amylopectin that make up the starch begin to leach into the water, along with some protein and sugars which already exist in them. This results in a viscous liquid we call aquafaba. Although there is currently no reliable nutritional information on aquafaba, more details regarding its health benefits may be available in the future as it becomes more and more popular. Experts suggest substituting 3 tablespoons of aquafaba for 1 whole egg or 2 tablespoons, that is 30 ml, for 1 egg white. While aquafaba makes a convenient stand-in for eggs or dairy, especially for people who are allergic or don't eat these foods like vegans or vegetarians, it is important to note that it contains significantly fewer nutrients as compared to egg. Hope this was useful. Thank you.